Hey guys, welcome back again in Musuma classes. So in this lecture we are going to discuss like how we can zoom the image and how we can zoom the view in React Native. So we are going to use React Native gesture handler here, and another one important thing, we are going to use animated APIs. So guys, this video is going to be a very important and very interesting video is going to be happen, right? So so I want two things. One is your patience, another one is your mindset. Like if you are really wanted to go and you really wanted to implement this functionality, then it is going to be a very important for you. So let's start it. So this is the functionality, like how you can zoom the image in React Native without using any third party library. Okay guys, so yes, so this is the React Native component. Okay, what is this React Native component? So I'm going to make this as a functional based component. Okay, so I'm going to make it another const. Perfect. And like this. Okay, I'm going to remove this render part and remove this one thing too. And I want to import the most important thing from React Native gesture handler. Okay, the thing is, the most important thing is the first one is pinch gesture handler. Okay, and I need to use some of animated API, so animated, and I also want to use the some image. For time being now, I just want to show you the image. Okay, the perfect UI first. So this one, and the first one, the you need to put some styling over here. Okay, and let's say flex one, and justify content in the center, and align items in the center. Okay, and I need to just, for demonstration, I'm just showing to you the image right now here. And I want to use the dimension as well. Dimension, I need to use this one because I need to calculate the width of the screen. Const width, and that I need to use let's say dimension. Oh, dimension dot, what is the function? This is the function, get function. I need to pass window here. Okay, and this is the width. I need to use this width, so I need to put first a style width, let's say width, and height, let's say I'm giving let's say 28% or 27%, let's say. Okay, and I need to pass the source. In that source I need to pass URI. Okay, so let's say this one is the let's say address. So I'm going to copy this image address and paste here. Okay, now fine, and refresh this. Okay, so I need to export this to export default and app. Perfect. But what is the problem? Everything fine? Yes, so what is the problem? Okay, I'm just going to run again by using the command React Native run iOS. Perfect. Okay, just give me some time so that I can run this application. Okay, so basically I can give you some basic knowledge, like flex1 will be, why I'm using the flex1. Flex1 basically contain the overall the mobile screen area. This is the, what is the problem? Font scale, what is the problem? What is the problem? 28% with, okay, scale 3 with 375. Okay, let's say I'm like this. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I cannot zoom this, right? I cannot zoom this view. I cannot zoom this image, right? I want to zoom this image. So what I need to use, this I'm going to use. So suppose that I want to zoom this image, so I'm going to use, put this like this, and here I need to put like this. So I'm going to use the pinch gesture handler. I need to use two prop here. So first one I'm going to use the on gesture handler, on gesture event, sorry, and here I'm going to pass this. I will call some function. So let's say the function will be on zoom or event, let's say function. Okay, this can be a function. Okay, another one will be the on gesture state change. So I need to maintain the states too using the gesture handler. So I just need to import this one thing. Okay, so also I will call another function, this dot, something called on zoom state change function, right? Let's say going to make this function first. So basically here is this function, and I need to use the animated API first. So I need to use the event because this event is going to be occur, right? So this event like this, and here will be the type is this, type will be like this. So I need to pass in a key. I need to remember this key actually. So let's say this key is native event, right? So the type will be like this, and I need to pass my scale because so I need to make the scale first. So here in this app I need to make the scale. So const, or I can make directly here like this, the scale. Okay, new animated dot value will be the function, and by default I'm providing 1. So this one is the scale. I need to use this scale, and this dot scale again. Okay, so I need to pass another one object like this, and I need to pass the driver true. So we have a use native driver will be true, and if you're not going to pass this line, and if you're not going to pass this true, then definitely this overall functionality will not work. Okay, this is very most important thing, very important thing, very important, right? Okay, so this function is actually done for me, and another function is on zoom state change function. So I need to make this function as well. So or whenever you are going to use this function, actually call this function, this always call, like always call when you are going to zoom this, right? So this will also call, and this will also call. So on handler, like the state is going to be changed now every time this is going to be called. So I'll get the event I'll get the event, right? I'll get the event. So I need to check first, like in the event, and I'll get the native event, this one, because this has to be set now previously, because this function will call first. So here in this event dot native event, I'll have something called old state, something called old state, or I can call like what I can say, like old state. It is be like it is correct here, right? So something called old state, and I need to compare with the state, whatever the state here is state. Copy this and dot the active. I need to check this if it will be compatible or correct, or compare like will be the true. If this will be the true, then I need to make some changes in the animated API. So I need to use the spring in animated. So here is the animated, and we'll have the function it is called spring. Okay, and I need to pass first the initial. So I need to pass this dot scale, and then you can understand this thing. I need to pass another object. In that object, first one the 2 value. Okay, I need to pass the value 1. Okay, because I already taken the initial value is 1 also. Okay, cool. And another one, I need to pass the drivers true. Okay, use native driver is true. This is a very most important topic, important line. Okay, perfect. And again, you can understand, like we need to start this function, so I need to pass this start again to again, right? I'm not calling function from here. So this will make this will behave like recursion kind of thing, but this is not like behave like this. Okay, so I need to pass this start to in order to call this function, right? Start this function. Okay, perfect. So I just need to go here and let's say check. Oh, what is the problem? When I'm going to zoom, this error is going to be happen. On gesture event handler, listen to be a function on gesture handler event. Okay, everything is fine. Okay, so I need to first I need to pass animated image because this image will not going to work. I need to pass animated dot image. Perfect. Okay, and okay, perfect. But you can understand this thing whenever I'm going to zoom my image, right? So there will be some kind of transformation. So I need to pass another key because in my old videos I explained this thing many times, right? So I hope you understand and you are aware with this term transform, right? So I need to pass in the style first, actually in the style. So there will be the like how we can pass like transform. Okay, and you can understand like what is important. This is I don't need, and the comma, and you know like what is the is like the type is array and object, like okay, correct. And here I need to pass my scale, and what is whatever the scale, this dot scale, I'll get the scale. Okay, this scale basically whenever it is going to be changed. Okay, oh, perfect, you can see here I now I can zoom this image. I can zoom this image, right? Just refresh this, and you can see whenever I'm going to zoom, this can easily zoom like this. Now animation is going to work, right? I hope you like this video, right? And now I can pass another one property, resize mode. You can pass like this contain only. Okay, everything will be work fine. Whenever you're going to zoom this image, you can easily zoom this image. So let's say I'm going to put another image, something called this one. Let's say this one is the image. Where is the image address? This one, and let's say pass this image address and this one. Yep. Let's say zoom this. I can easily zoom this image, right? So the quality of image is not very good. That's why this is, you can see like फट रहा है ये, but ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Okay, perfect. Now I think मैं समझ सकता हूँ कि आपको सारी चीज़ें क्लियर हो चुकी हैं, सारी चीज़ें easy हैं. अगर आप चाहते हो कि I need to make a video in Hindi, so I can make the video, but you need to comment this, right? आई होप वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए एंड कमेंट भी कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए क्योंकि बहुत सारे वीडियोस आने वाले हैं. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस.